Welcome to Infobooth 19 channel. Today we are going to see one healthy veg curry recipe which is black eye lentil. So this lentil curry is very simple to make. For beginners this recipe will be very helpful. The recipe is very healthy. Different type of lentils adding in our food items adds to a nutritional value to our family. So do not miss it. At least weekly 3 or 4 times add different varieties of lentil into your diet. Now without delaying, let's quickly enter into this video. So for this recipe we need the following ingredients. So this is called as the black eyed peas or black eyed lentils. So this lentil, what we are going to do is you need to soak it overnight, and once the soaked overnight lentil, you need to put it in the pressure cooker and leave it for 3 to 4 whistles. So this is the cooked lentil. Do not cook till it get mashes. We need this much consistency. The shape should be retained. That is very important. Now vegetables of your choice you can take. Here I have taken drumstick and brinjal. If you don't have drumstick and brinjal, you can add potato or yam. So these kind of vegetables will add more taste to the dish. And for tadka, we are going to use 1 tablespoon of mustard, urad dal and fenugreek and 1 small size onion. And for grinding masala, 1 medium size onion, tomato, green chilli, tamarind, jeera 1 tablespoon, saunf or fennel 1 tablespoon, garlic 8 to 10 numbers, and masalas, salt, chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. So chili powder and coriander powder 1 tablespoon you can take each. So that's all we need. The recipe is very simple. So first, in a mixture jar we are going to add all the ingredients and we are going to grind it to a fine smooth paste. So this is going to be the base and it is going to bring the gravy into a thicker consistency. Tamarind also you can add along with it. Just wash it well and then add it. This much fine paste you need to grind it well and then you keep it aside. Now let's start preparing this yummy vegetable curry. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Gingerly oil will give more taste to this dish, and once the oil is hot you can just add mustard, urad dal and fenugreek. Just let it crackle completely and let it get fried nicely. Then only you need to add the next ingredient. Now 1 small size onion we have finely chopped, that also you can just add and give it a good mix. Now we are going to add the vegetables. So vegetable of your choice you can add. Just fry it in oil for 1 minute and then you can add water to it. That gives more additional flavor. Just add salt for these vegetables. Give it a good mix. Now you can add less than quarter tumbler of water for the vegetables to cook nicely. Close the lid and cook it for around 5 to 6 minutes till the vegetables get cooked. So once the vegetable gets cooked, you can see the drumstick color has changed into light color and the brinjal skin also became light color. That means your vegetables are cooked. At this stage, we need to add the grind masala. Just add little bit of water to the mixture jar and remove the excess amount of masalas, whatever sticking to it, and add it. Do not add more water at this stage. Otherwise, it will take lot of time for the raw smell to go. Give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook it for around 6 to 7 minutes. Keep mixing in between, otherwise it will get burnt at the bottom. Now if you see, the oil had got separated nicely and then the masala raw smell gone completely. At this stage we need to add the cooked beans. Just add the lentil completely. Now also you don't add water, just give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes so that the masala will get entered into the lentil and the taste will be awesome. The flavor of the vegetables and the masala, everything has to enter into the lentil, then only everything will get binded and the taste will be awesome. Now add required amount of water after some 3 to 4 minutes. Give it a good mix and let it boil for some more time. Now after some 4 minutes, if you see, again the oil started separating out and the curry has come nicely. This curry should not be very much watery, it should be little bit thick, then only the taste will be very good. You can serve it with hot rice, the taste will be awesome. Surely you all need to give it a try. For beginners, this recipe will be very helpful and I hope it is very simple as well. You can have it hot rice or dosa or appam. This all good combination for this dish. This vegetable, already this curry is loaded with vegetable and lentil. You actually don't need any side dish to it. A papad or pickle will go nicely with this. So you can just give it a try. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.